Hey guys, I just wanted to take a quick video. Any of you guys considering the Android head units, and just give you some of the things that I came across when I installed mine. I installed this about 2 weeks ago, and I really like it so far. One thing that I'll start off and say is that whatever unit you're looking at, I'll turn it on to show you. Make sure that your the amount of standby time that the unit has a good amount. Let me see. So this particular unit, this is the Hisbo Oreo head unit. My max standby time is up to 60 minutes, which isn't bad, but pretty much after that time frame, it goes into pretty much rebooting from fresh. So it takes about 25-30 seconds, give or take. Sorry if this is not focusing. There you go. Also, at least on this particular unit, the remote turn on would turn off after the signal went to it, so it would create a loud pop noise. So I took the 12 volt amp turn on from the cigarette lighter fuse in the trunk, and that got rid of the pop. Depending on which RCAs you use, you kind of can't see it, but make sure that they're kind of thin but of good quality, because I know I had issues. I had got some really thick quality ones off Amazon and went to go put my door seals and everything back, and yeah, nothing wanted to go back. So I actually ended up using some thinner ones, and that helped tremendously. So I would definitely recommend getting something thin but of good quality. There is plenty of room, but just make sure that they're not crazy thick. Or if you're not running 3 pair of RCAs like I was, because I am running a 5-channel amp, then you should be okay. I'm gonna get out and show the trunk. I'm running a Jensen 765 D, which is a 5-channel amp with the Class D subwoofer channel. It's pretty good. I like it, especially for the price. These are the factory wires. All the speaker wires, the factory speaker wires right now are going into the amp. I'm gonna cover these at some point so that it just doesn't look as obvious. Also, it could be how I ran the RCAs. I might go back and revisit. I do have not a lot of noise, but a little bit. So I am running a ground loop isolator, which, sometimes aren't great, but this one isn't too bad, and it definitely quieted down the noise. As you can tell, my rear deck is out currently. My factory subwoofer decided to finally start doing the popping noise as it does when the shroud goes bad. But I glued it before and just decided to upgrade, so I have a new subwoofer on the way. What else? Definitely make sure that you route everything behind the head unit pretty good. I know I had a little bit of an issue getting the head unit to go fully back in place when I was done, so I just had to run some stuff a little bit differently just to get it to go fully back in place. But after that, went in fine. Looks good in there. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a couple of pointers on the install aspect of one of these.